cats. This is Floof. You might know Fluffy. I know it's a very generic cat name, but that's Bad Kitty. She was stuck on the roof this morning, and I had to get her down. It was annoying and long, but we did it. Fluffy is our first cat, Bad Kitty's mom, and Princess's sister, who is over there. She will not let me get close. Whiteout is basically stolen. The neighbors have her, I think. Some neighbors. I don't know which, but some. Also, these are the cat beds I made for them and that they absolutely did not use except for, like, pooping spots. All my hard work. Wow, it's so blurry. Hey, kitty. Are you eating this? Are you eating this? This is how I play with them. They are Bad Kitty is very obsessed. Princess is scared. And Fluffy is mildly interested. That's what I do with them. Come here. Wow, crappy resolution. This looks so much better. Focus. 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 Okay. Come on. Come on. Come up here. Kitty is there somewhere. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come up here. She will. Hey, kitty. Look. Hey, kitty. She can go up here. Ah! iPads. iPads are annoying. Holding it super weird. Ah! Now I need to get her down again. Come on. Come on. Bad Kitty. I know her name is Bad Kitty, but she has only bitten us 4 times, which is comparing to Whiteout, who has bitten us at least 50. Fluffy, you interested? No? Yeah? No? Now she's